The complete manufacturing journey begins as an ethically sourced gray Brahman bull hide is transformed into a luxury leather sofa.
Sector Gamma reports clear, all groups proceeding to scanning.
Confirmed, Gamma. RFID tags registering correctly.
The documentary introduces the gray Brahman bulls as the natural source of the premium hides used in luxury leather sofa production.
All right, send the next one down.
Okay, let's take a look at the branding site. The coat condition is excellent.
The muscle health looks good, Charlie.
Confirmed. All systems clear. Approved.
Each premium hide receives a unique digital identity, enabling complete traceability throughout the leather manufacturing process.
We have a few insect marks here, but the overall usable cutting area is excellent.
Agreed. Assigning preliminary grade, luxury sofa suitable.
Alignment and hydraulics checked. Calibration verified. Ready to initiate feed. With the pickling solution verified, the conveyor transports the conditioned gray Brahman leather towards the drums for controlled acidification.
Spectrophotometer confirms the required concentration.
The drying cycle is complete on this section.
We need to verify the moisture levels before we move to softening.
Check the color uptake on panel 4. Looks consistent with the target saturation curve. Manual reading confirms the automated results. Optimal moisture achieved.
Acknowledged. Finalizing the report now. Approved for staking. Check the abrasion levels on the HMI. All parameters are within the specified range. Proceeding to the next stage.
This area is suitable for the sofa panels.
Confirmed. Marking the optimal cutting zone now.
The AI marked this scar here. Looks consistent with the grading standards.
Agreed.
The pore consistency in the green zone is excellent.
Stayed placed. The perfectly coated gray Brahman full-grain leather enters a precision embossing department where check the thermal profile on zone 3. It's holding steady at 150, right on target.
All tolerances are within specification.
Confirmed. The frame is approved for upholstery.
Computer-controlled dosing pumps transfer each ingredient into a high-speed continuous mixing head. As the chemicals combine, the nesting layout is fully optimized, minimizing waste while preserving the grain. Excellent. Transmit the cutting files to the automated system.
The assembly line is fully synchronized, ensuring every component meets our rigorous quality standards.
The digital twin is fully green, structural integrity confirmed. Excellent, the leather uniformity is flawless as well. Let's move it to the next phase. The completed luxury sofa successfully passes final dimensional verification, confirming absolute manufacturing precision and engineering compliance.
The grain flow is absolutely perfect. Ready for inspection and polishing.
Guided by real-time force sensors, the robotic system applies evenly distributed tension, removing microscopic wrinkles while preserving the natural grain.
That concludes the stress test. Excellent results across the board.
Ensure the gray Brahman pallets are marked for immediate export to the Asia-Pacific hub. Done. The system has updated the priority sequence. With the final convoy departing, these luxury sofas officially enter the global export network, ready for worldwide delivery. At Forge Motion Labs, we take you inside the world's most extraordinary factories and reveal how everyday materials become incredible products.